Hey everyone, this is Nick with City Rockhounding, and look at all this awesome railroad chert we're finding today. It's been so long since we've been out here. I love this stuff. It really is so pretty, special. I like all the different forms of it too, like the solid black here, or this kind that really looks like petrified wood. Some cool faces. I love that pattern. It's pretty. And some of these have blue in them. Really cool. Plus that cool pattern. Just amazing stuff. I love it. Hope everyone's having an awesome day today. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Bye guys.